Beehive School provides free English, French, and German classes for the children in Battambang, Cambodia. The school was created by Vireak, a tuk-tuk driver and teacher at Beehive School.
In my neighborhood, the first thing is the money problem. When I was small, I don't have the money to pay for the school. So now I want to share the knowledge, share the children.
The classes take place in the backyard of Vireak's house every day after school for a couple hours. In addition to the children, the school has special guests. The school receives volunteers